Good morning, everybody. Sorry I'm unable to be in school today, so I wanted to make a little video to just remind you of what we're doing and explain what the new assignment is. So first of all, remember we did start last class this email practice. This is in your Google Classroom under the Classwork tab. So this email practice, 15 of you in period 3-4 completed this, and I think most of the people in 5-6 did, but if you did not complete the email practice, it is due today, Thursday, so make sure that gets done first. The other thing that we started was this reference page. A few of you still need to turn this in as well. Also due today on Thursday, so you're just going to open up mine. You can make a copy of it, and you're just going to write down or type in 3 people that can say something nice about you. Again, teachers, coaches, employers, school counselors, and don't forget this heading. This should be your information at the top. If I did grade it, you're free to then print it and put it in section 1 in your portfolio. So you'll grab a plastic sheet and put it in section 1 in your portfolio. What you're all going to be working on then today is this career information assignment sheet. So I just thought I would go through step by step. There's a few things that you're going to open up and do in here. So it says right here there's a lot of steps to do, and we'll do a few at a time. So you'll basically work through this at your own pace today. We're going to learn about interest areas, career clusters, job perks and benefits, specific careers that you want to learn about, and then watch some videos based on different careers. So this Google Doc you will open, and it kind of gives you step-by-step directions, but I just wanted to show you in the classroom where things are. So the first thing you're going to do is learn about the Holland personality types, and there's basically 6 different personality types that we all have. Some we are stronger in than others. So what you're going to do first is look at these 6, and you're going to base on your own personal preference what you think you fit in. Maybe it's 1, maybe it's 2, maybe it's 3. If you're not sure what they mean, you go back into Google Classroom here and you click on the interest area tab, or this is also in your folders in class, and this explains what each of those are. So conventional explains what that is, realistic, investigative, and so forth. So you can take a look at this and see where you fit in. Artistic's pretty easy. Social, we kind of know what that is, but the other ones we may have to look at the definition first. I also have a PowerPoint in here that you can look at the different personality types, and then it also matches certain jobs to those different personality types. So again, the first thing you'll do is base on your own personal preference what you think you fit in. Then you're going to click on this interest survey, and you're going to answer the 60 questions, and then you're going to type in the scores that you receive, so what the computer thinks you best fit in. So you're going to get a score for each of these, and you're going to write your score in these boxes here based on this survey that you're going to click on. The next thing is the career cluster interest inventory that you do on paper. So some of you started this and completed it, some of you are halfway done. It's in your folders. You're going to look at each box, read each one, and then you're going to score each of these, and you're going to write your top 3 career clusters here. So once you get your scores, you go into the career cluster reference material. And again, you can see this in your folder as well. These sheets are in your folder. So if you scored really high in number 1, then you're really high in agriculture, food, and natural resources, and so forth. So these are all numbered 1 through 16, and you can see what your highest 3 categories, clusters were. And you'll type those 3 top ones here. You can also go to this website, which I really like. You can browse different careers by career cluster. So once you find out which one is your highest, so let's say it's finance, click on go, and you can look at all the different careers that you might be interested in related to finance, and you can look and learn a little bit more about those. The next thing we're going to learn about is perks and benefits. So it's not all about just money, but perks and benefits. So you're going to look at some of these links, these articles. You're going to just answer the questions that go with each of those, defining what a perk is, what a benefit is, and what would be most appealing to you. Everybody's a little bit different. Some people like, paid vacation. Some people like free health insurance. Some people like having a free credit card to use for expenses and so forth. So you're going to answer those questions. And then there's another one here to look at 25 favorite employee perks. Just take a look at that, see what other people think as well. Then here I have some different career research websites links you can take a look at. This 361 may or may not work anymore, depending on if our school had purchased it. But there's some other ones in here that you can look at. And then I want you to list at least 4 careers that you want to learn more about. The other place I did put here career research website, so I have links to those here. So you can click on those. And I want specific career names that you want to learn a little bit more about. Then the last step in this is to look at some of these different career videos. These might just be different videos that you're interested in. This one again goes to the career clusters, so you can look at the different videos, take some time, watch some of these. So again, if you're in finance, click on it and let's just see, what does a brokerage clerk do? And maybe you can watch a video. They're real short. This is 1 minute and 17 seconds long. Gives a transcript there, but watch a few videos. See what you can learn about that. If you don't want to go to college, there's career videos without a 4-year college degree. There's career without college at all, working with your hands. So there's a ton of different opportunities for you to look at and learn. What better time than to do it during class and learn a little bit more. So all kinds. And these are short, quick videos. The more you can learn, the more. I want you to list which 3, a minimum of 3 that you actually watched and something you learned from watching this. Maybe you learned it's something you could be interested in or something that you're definitely not interested in. If you get done with this real fast, because I know I have some fast workers, in your folders you will find, I put it under career research, these career research sheets. I want you to start filling these career research sheets in great detail. So this is going to be done on paper. You are going to put let's say you're interested in being a financial planner. That's your career title. You're going to give a description, what are some skills needed, the starting and to experience salary, some benefits and perks we can talk about, typical working hours, list at least 5 duties or tasks, what career cluster did it fall in, what interest area did it fall in, and so forth. So just to continue, so you're just filling in all these boxes. If there's some that you don't know the answers to right away, just leave them blank and then we will fill them in together when I am here. This is not obviously due today, but I wanted to show you what you're doing so you can get ahead. And again, these sheets, I think I put at least 2 for now into your folders that are right here on the table, so you can grab your folders and fill those out. So please behave for the sub and have a wonderful day, and then I'll be here Friday if you need to see me, but otherwise I'll see you in class next week. Have a great day.